Okay, so this time we're making a more aerodynamic fin by just rounding the fin a little bit. So this way, we'll see what happens. Okay, test flight numero 10. Test flight 10. Okay, ready, set, and fly. Okay.
Just measure it from here back.
.4 feet and 4 inches.